When people hear the word etiquette or I introduce myself, immediately they stand up straighter and they get a little nervous, and it always makes me sad because etiquette is not about being perfect. And if it was, I could not be an etiquette consultant. I really couldn't. We need to be getting out there and making those connections, building our network, and making sure that we have people that we can rely on for, connections on services that we need. Clients, right? It's a lot about clients, but we're out there to build our network.
It was good to sit down and kind of be given kind of that informal, formal training.
This is my first time going to the etiquette dinner event, and I had so much fun, honestly. I really liked how she interacted. Even if you had a question, she would come back later and talk to you about it.
I'm just delighted to talk about one of my favorite vendors and my friend, Arden Clise. In the past, we used to do an etiquette dinner getting advice from our on-campus catering service. But I needed to up our game and really get somebody who could talk about professional etiquette, conversation, networking, all those kinds of skills that our students need.
That's right.
So at first glance, it might seem like basic table manners, but kids and parents say it has much deeper meaning.
We are bringing in an etiquette expert to help us figure it all out.
We are joined by Arden Clise with Clise Etiquette.
Networking is scary for a lot of people. Most people, tell me, even extroverts, say, I do not like networking. I get it. It's hard talking to strangers. It is really intimidating walking up to someone you've never met before and saying, hi, I'm Arden. So I'm going to give you some tips. The first one is you have to put your imaginary bold hat on. Think of that hat as giving you this superpower. You can walk up to anyone and introduce yourself. Because, remember this, everyone else is feeling just as nervous as you are. They are.
Arden always puts everyone at ease by saying, you don't need to know anything. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do in this role. And honestly, it's very relaxed atmosphere. The last couple especially, it's most recent in my mind, where we had very large groups. We had about 100 in the room. That's a large group to manage. And she maneuvered around and handled all the questions, invites a lot of questions, brings a lot of humor to the presentation, which puts everyone at ease, especially with this topic.
We tend to drop our manners a little bit with our family. And I would say, yeah, you want to be comfortable with your family, but it's also a really opportune time to remember to practice your manners, so you're not just practicing them during more formal events, but you also don't want to be perfect. So finding that balance.
I really hope that when people leave a training or a coaching session with me, that they feel that they're on the right track, that they know what to do, and that they've just gained some really valuable skills.